Hello all. So today's project is right here. We're doing pavers along the front step. The idea, well, just to have a real step here. It's just weeds and whatever. So anyway, set it up and we will to work in here. Well, there's a lot of rocks in here. I mean, I'm not surprised. This was like the driveway. I mean, there's a rock driveway right there, so not too surprised, but I'm going to have to dig a little bit farther to get this out of here. Found a minor issue. There's like a, I don't know, footing or something right here. So I'm going to get the sledgehammer and see if I can knock it back, see if it works. Yeah, that did it. All right, well, we got the pavers in. Going to back it up with sand, or fill in the gaps with sand, room it all around, and then I think it's done. It's not perfectly level or perfectly perfect, but that's the theme around here, imperfect.